Congress's commitment to Meghalaya, empowering the women of Meghalaya. 3,000 rupees every month to every single BPL mother in Meghalaya.
5 commitments na kasing Congress na kabinta ka 5-star Meghalaya.
Ha kaarpwe tarik mentau benai rempang arajar arpulai. Uwe ni kirang ba terima sungubha jong kejelam Meghalaya uba John Frankie Rembai uba nak senong nong po hak distrik Riboy. Ulat pat ba halor ki kamti bat chalan bea nyu do yong nak ni kejela da kita ki bor ki ba halor ki bejutep kum ki high level. Kat kum ka RTI ke bau ni orang ba ulo yo jintep ula keno ba ki tenat ki badan benta ha kata ka kenhon jong ki high level ki kentup e ketenat mining bat geology ketenat transport bat ketenat pulit. Baka jingti baka jing shalan bea nyu do yong kadairu da ga jing te blang na do ukle do ubasong secretariat Shillong kata menteri rang ba kejela Konrad Kongkal Sangma rengkat bat ki bai di menteri sarkar. Uba John Frankie Rembai ula kendo oru ba habaro shilen terlenti ki berenti ha ka penia yo do yong ban penpoi sabar kejela. Ladon kti bet di brio jong menteri sarkar la kalong ha West Khasi Hills ne ha East Jantia Hills. La penya di brio jong ki high level naduk ki jakat tau ki trok ki kerdop ki bakmi ki kot kisla ban chalan mar bat kenang bagi trok ki bakit doyong ken laj ban ya bet esrok klem kanu kanu jing pentot ledon ketipat ki brio jok tenat pulit bal ong ru bawat ka jingkit udoyong ru kalong palat put na ka bakayeng syari kala ajing bet ka belong tang hapok ka kat arton ka be trok. Uba John Frankie Rembai ulo ong ru bana kajing ti bean bat kajing khai bean yo do yong kelawan ra ru kajing do khajana ka bahe ka jelam Meghalaya man ka snam ka bakot om duna syaka si hajar klor tengka dai na kani kajing kamai tangki ka to kani ke bedon ketiak ne kam ka dai kajing persang nang ne nang tai ban om pentre kam ya ka mining policy ha kani ka jela
ti simple ngan syong ip ba. It is clearly shown that whatever illegal transportation is carried out is with full knowledge of Chief Minister and Minister in charge of Mining and Geology, Konrad Sangma. Along with his advisor, ex-transport minister ru hakapor jong iru ka doyong kalayat illegal, that is Nyau Bhalang Dar, menta udah sekian, to dam government syuru. Last but not the least, the groundwork for the illegal transportation, this is very important. If the government is complete the paperwork, what about the groundwork? Who collect the money from the traders? What we find, according to evidence, when we arrest truck along with Hito, so many times, we found that the amount of collection of money that is amounting 1 lakh rupees for 14 and 16 tire, 60 ton is 1 lakh rupees. What they have to whom they are paying this money? They are paying at Clearyat to MLA people, his close aide. Who is the MLA Clearyat? You find out. His close aides are collecting the entry amount. And from West Khasi Hill, we find that Dominic Marthong. Who is Dominic Marthong? Dominic Marthong is related to Jigur Marthong. When we arrest truck, when we detain them, when we question the driver, Chalan is the name of Dominic Marthong. So I will tell here clearly that the violation of the SOP and the scam in Meghalaya is equally accountable by the bidder, successful bidder of the Chalan all over Meghalaya.
Congress's commitment to Meghalaya, empowering the women of Meghalaya. 3,000 rupees every month to every single BPL mother in Meghalaya.
5 commitments na kasing Congress na kabinta ka 5-star Meghalaya.
Point number 25 and 26 is very important to tell you. I have been asked that please provide information for each GPS device number and GPS SIM number installed and activate against each truck. Give in detail. Point 25 and 26 has not been supplied as per RTI filed by me. Application point 25 and 26 department could not supply information as by me. Balay kimla aban aya kan GPS kadaw kolong ba katrok ka sulong by outlaw mdon GPS mdon Chalan. Now, ladangi ya keren menta. What about all over Meghalaya? According to the RTI, the scam under 2 departments that is Mining and Geology and Transport Department, the scam is being done all over Meghalaya. Borok ko ke Meghalaya ki le ek scam. Ti kumno ki yolat pan le ek scam namar ki paperwork la le dak department, and then ki try shalan ki bayo ki yo blessing na ki political na kita ki minister ki bolong hakane ka department bakin yo pan penya illegally. Dengan ong ipi kajing du nong hangne kan de ka state ye ki small miner ngingin nem priang ya ta ka sispa hektar ngin saya kun ya kan ya ka illegal mining syakut ru ngim salia namar ba man kas ngi hu ipi ki perlak projor ki berit baria ki batrai kim kwa bakan don kata ka mining ka basis pa persen bakan ong ipi kan ya ka government MDA kamtam kini ki department transport mining and geology kinnem kwa ban implement ka mining policy balai nambala implement no kinnem yo shu ban kamai illegal kumne how much the illegal kabalik not less than 1,000 crore ngan ong ipi ka state ka shimram man ka snem ngasngo khat arspa crore khat sauspa crore khat sanspa crore ka ba illegally la dep kamai lupashi 1,000 crore they who collect the money in other part of Meghalaya ha ba kidon kini ki scam ban shim na kitrok na ong ipi baro hai ki mi khmat be de ki brujung ke minister te hangne ka pau shai kedar ba ka department ba bat hidu chief minister kalong highly complicated corrupted manipulate nang ta pada ki don ru ki close aid ki jong u ngalabat nang hadu baki advisor to chief minister ki de ba monitor napok e ka kam then ka police department ngimla ban lai ka safe passage hi yakini ki trok illegal la ai hi de ka police department that is very questionable ba baro ki district ki trok ki ya sahu Tilada phikwa ban lap ka kata ka high level hi laju buri bha ladang akran ha ka district ke jonga ka de hari boy kumno kibru ikini ki high level trok jingsisha ka trok ha badon shalan ka de ban ya kat kum ka ton ka balabu da ka SOP totip ma phiki press ba hadu menta ar hajar ar paulai menta ka de nem nadu bapas ka judgment 19 Julai jom ka Supreme Court 4 jusya bangkit daw yong palat ka khat arton henraya barok bakem ke hito bakem mangi ngin ko ban haras ki trok daw yong ki try trok kam 4 juton kata khat arton barok bet ka deka ru pautan lane lai pu sauton collection ka dei bet either 1 lakh lane 80,000 hai ki collect ru ngan batai phi ka pisa lada la ai ha ki bru minister khandai pun riu hajar lane nyo pun riu hajar ha clear yat ha west ka sihil ha weight bridge ru hap su pisa ar hajar tangka ha weight bridge wat jusung thu bakala bandon ki bru ka DMR lane ki bru jong ka transport department kin don ba ki bru de minister hapo weight bridge ru kin le kumno kin check i truck number ta ka ai pade ka duty jong ki officer habang ay ngadon ka question ki officer ngasat kali ki mo ki ongin le kumno ba jon ni hap sulong tong nong pekai ki di nagaliang ki enforcement hapori bhairu kintre kami ai hapo kata nakaliang ki inspector jong ka DMR ru kintre kami ai hapo kata kitre kami de ki buru minister ban check ya ki number kali ka bamdon ka number kali kamut ka de ka basuan klem su pisa either na po East Jaintia lanena West Jaintia tengilap baik badon fiti baik ki buru minister bat bun sin kini gisalan kilong related baik bayo baik de ki buru minister Teki negi salan hangne kila penyelam bak bakla bak prostung syong bang yak salan MP kat kum ka RTI hangne bat ngadon ya ka video footage ka bangala ban share ya hisibit kalong ba during model code of conduct today 21st mentang adang wana nong po kitrok dang sahu kedang yak si pautali ai bat menin mit kum taman gamit lai pau sa pautali during model code of conduct last week ngadang dep ban detain hapo kata hawait bridge ngadang don ka jing ya kendang ya kita kiwan kita kitrok kiba klem shalan lada kali kidai be kitrok high level the high level is very questionable to tip wa manong ipi dan kam su punya thnum ho social media high level hi kadai ke department mining and geology wala bat dau chief minister nang ta transport department labat dau da sekian and home minister laneka law department labat tiba lakemen rembu
Congress's commitment to Meghalaya, empowering the women of Meghalaya. 3,000 rupees every month to every single BPL mother in Meghalaya.
5 commitments na kaseng Congress na kabinta ka 5-star Meghalaya.
Ti ngin man kam man yakran ye taki bru jongki ba pni pok madan namar ki tangki leman ki dia tangki close associate jongki. Te ka blame hi borok ngan blame chakan ke department. Ba kini ki political thief kila pelong ya ka spa jong ka Meghalaya jong ka yok ka kot jong ka state kum ka kamai ka ji jongki da ki jok MLA. Na ka daw nga kum concern citizen nga shim ba ngan ya kun daw kulom borok sam sinam ni khmat dawan kano go government ru. Jaka ba pin ya bunkam ban ya le illegal ban ya kamai sya ka pla ka jong pi ya kun pen ban ba pin penyok klo ya ka mining policy ka berap ya uduk usuk nginda pendang sentiu lem kumta ngingim la ba syong ka sekretariat nama ngimla ngimde ki MLA tingin ya kun ya pina sabar ba don bok bangi don ka RTI a don bok bangi don PK media don bok bangi don ya ka kut bodon burom lada dang don kum kini ki klempep ngan move syakut baik ya ki weight bridge bat iki tegi department Boy district ngayo ibe kadon ka GST department ka ba check iki trok ki bakit mar mata check GST ya ka trok daw yong pada kim la ban kata ka de umling kim la ban kata trok daw yong henre ha ka GST ha ka daw yong ni ba sai khi kadon ka GST ha daw yong kai ta question hang ne ga ule ayu taw commissioner ba de jong ka GST ha po Meghalaya jongi who is the minister in charge jong ka GST ha to kini kim don ketilang bele kalong no siliang se kamlong no siliang nakatawan ong ipi ngangan ye kun nang is khmat sam sinem dawan kano ka sarkar ru ba lada nga ko concern citizen ngam ye kun ngan sulong unong num tang po social media kaduk ka state jongi kadang hiar siar kayo ka kwat kinong khayi pateng barit bariaru kinamla hiban khayi wadah klik riap ru lada ya penyang lain oh ba jon ubisni nganong ipikin pun ki grup ki jongi hi ki ba persya ya ka high level nama ka high level ka penim tang ikat to kat ne kapisa ka ba mla syu banyah nyong nong ipi ka de ka biggest scam 4 day ka tu ka scam covid 4 day ka no ka scam nganong ipi ba government sela ulong very accountable namar ba ka de ka origin jong unang thi ka bayat ka high level ka collection ka sim ki bru ki jong u bat na po west Khasi Hill na mountain road na shalang kibriu jong jigur ki haba kiyat hari boya bagi bat iketrong kimi kerteng bat kita kibriu jong ba jigur openly hapo market tengitip henry bangan accuse kita bro ngadon kami ke RTI yes ngudot ong EP baka high level hi kadai likely ki department ki belum liable accountable kata kadai ke mining and geology transport department last but not the least malumala ke police department tangkini kentien khuble shibun
Congress's commitment to Meghalaya, empowering the women of Meghalaya. 3,000 rupees every month to every single BPL mother in Meghalaya.
5 commitments na kasing Congress na